Hi everyone, I'm Ericka Champion Weiss with Paparazzi Accessories. This is one of my dash hounds, Joey, who is very needy today, so he's gonna be making an appearance. Just overlook him. I love him though. He just needs some extra love, so he comes and gets it. He's wonderful. So today we're gonna talk about pumping yourself up, filling yourself full of goodness, giving yourself the locker room speech. Before we do that, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. Leave me good comments. Nothing nasty. I ain't got time for that crap. I delete them anyway. All right? Good stuff. Let me hear all the good stuff. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about the locker room speeches. If you've ever been an athlete, and I was an athlete, you've been in a locker room. You've been in a pre-competition meeting. You've been, and maybe if you weren't an athlete, like marching band, I was in marching band. We all had that pre-competition meeting and pump up, and you guys are great. And maybe if you've never done any of that, you've seen movies. You've seen locker room scenes in movies where the coach is in there and he is just saying great things about this team and how they're going to do wonderful and they're going to win and this, that, and the other. And then there's also, especially in football games, because football movies are big, the halftime scene in the locker rooms where you come back and the team is defeated and they are beaten down and they are losing and the other team is just gloating over it and just saying how they're going to just come out victorious and just going to win. And then the coach is in there and he's like, so you're going to let them talk crap about you, or are you going to get up and you're going to do something? I don't care what the scoreboard says. You're going to get up and you're going to win and you're going to play and you're going to not do all these turnovers and you're not going to make stupid mistakes. You're going to make good choices. You are going to play the game like you want to win. You know what I'm talking about? Anybody got a visual in their mind? Like I have all kinds of visuals, all kinds of movies that do that. And having been in many locker rooms, I know what those speeches feel like, sound like, and do to you mentally, internally. So I want to talk to you about being the coach for yourself. Because, girlfriend, it is time to DIY your own locker room speech. It really is. Your mentor, your sponsor, your coach, your best friend, your butt kick friend, they're not always going to be available. And frankly, they don't need to be. Sometimes they're stuck in their own stuff and they need to be dealing with that. But you don't need them. You can do this yourself. You can give yourself your own locker room speech. You can go look in the mirror in your bathroom, in the hallway, hand mirror from your purse, whatever it is, and you can say to yourself, you are amazing, you are beautiful, you are wonderful, you are worthy of success, you have success, you are good, you are great at what you do, you are doing amazing things. You can give yourself your own locker room speech. You can fire yourself up. Think about the times that you go to church and the pastor is just fired up and he is just pouring life and belief into you. Honey, you can do that too. You ain't got to wait till Sunday to go. You can do that yourself. You can speak life and you can speak goodness and you can speak victory over you right now, especially on those tired days, especially on those Mondays, especially on the defeated days, especially at halftime. Especially at halftime. When you are looking at the bank account and it ain't saying good stuff, you can say, I don't care what those numbers say. I know what I believe. I know what I work for, and I know I am good at what I do. And that number does not define me. When you in direct sales and network marketing and you are looking at your numbers and it's inching on to the end of the month and you're like, oh, no, turn that around and say, I know my success is here. I know I am a success in my business. I know I have all the sales I want. I have all the teammates I want. I have all the volume I need to make whatever it is you want to make. You can speak that level over yourself. This works. This absolutely works. You're going to feel weird about the first 5 times, but about number 6, you're going to be like, I am good. I can speak goodness over me. You're going to feel power like you've never felt before. Why does this work? I don't know the psychology behind this, and it frankly doesn't matter. The fact is that it does work. You don't have to wait on anyone. You don't have to rely on anyone. You don't have to hope your mama's going to pick up the phone. and tell you good things, because not everyone has good things to share. Sometimes they're having a bad day too, and they don't have goodness in them to share. You don't have to rely on anybody but you. You can DIY your own locker room speech. You can pull yourself out of the garbage. You can be rid of the thoughts that are not serving you. You can speak life right over you. Some people will say you can, and it's, you can say it any way you want to. You can prophesy great things about you and your life and your business and your success and your dreams and your goals and your family. You can say that level with authority, assertion, and belief over yourself. And when you start talking like that about yourself, watch yourself change. You will start to stand up straighter, walk straighter, and start working, walking, and believing like you are. All those amazing things you say about yourself. So get in that locker room. Your locker room is going to look a little different than mine. Look in that mirror that's in your locker room and start coaching yourself. Start pouring belief and life and victory all over yourself with the words that you say about you. I am great. I am worthy. I am good. I am fantastic at what I do. Everybody wants to learn from me. Say good things about you. You'll start to believe them. Then they're going to start coming true.